Okay, so everybody's been asking me who the mystery Bodyman is.
He's one of the all-time greats here in Chilliwack. Probably the best guy in Chilliwack.
You ready?
On the longest.
We need a drum roll.
We do need a drum roll.
Anyway.
See, that's why he's the best, because he said, oh, fuck off.
You know what's funny is that when I'm doing this right now, you can't see his face from where I am.
I know, he's like Wilson. That's good.
There he is. So this is Bruce Sr. This is Bruce's dad that's with us.
This is who taught Bruce how to do everything.
Yes.
He's actually better than Bruce, though, because this guy, I've never seen him use a machine ever, and he does it all by hand, and he's still quicker than Bruce.
He is actually quicker than Bruce, I'm sad to say.
Yeah.
I know, with no machines, all by hand.
All by hand.
So this is our mystery Bodyman.
So my question is, was it Bruce's plan from the day he started here a year ago to get his dad working here? That's the question.
I think it is, actually.
I think it was, too.
I think it was all in his master plan.
It was. Well, he's all working out good.
Yeah.
Excellent.
So there, everybody, that's Bruce.
Yeah,
Bruce
that's Bruce.
Sr. So now everybody knows who our mystery Bodyman is. Now, we got a letter. Do you want to open that?
Yeah.
Okay. Come in the office and you can open your letter. Okay, so mail day the other day. Somebody sent us this. Michael Marks from Jacksonville, Florida.
Jacksonville, Florida.
Yeah.
What goes on down in Florida? Is that where they go gator hunting or something like that?
Well, I know that that's where the Hukilau is. That tiki thing? Yeah, that tiki thing, that tiki event that we wanted to go to.
It says here on the back of this envelope that it's non-machinable. So I can't put it through the wash.
Non-machinable?
That's what it says right there. I've never seen that on an envelope, non-machinable.
Are you sure it says non-machinable? It does too. Well.
Oh, I better not rip his address. Because we like to keep...
What does non-machinable mean?
I guess that's a way of telling me that he's not sending me money. Because if money you can wash. Let's see what this gentleman has to say today. Somebody's up in the lot revving the shit out of a car.
Yep.
Okay, I don't know which one I start with here. What's his name again?
Michael?
This is Michael. Hopefully I can call you Mike. A bit of memorabilia from my visit to Garlett's Museum back in 1998.
Big Daddy?
I know it's not the same as being there yourself, but neat anyway. Looking forward to your YouTube and videos. Enjoy Lisa's rant. Oh. Now, if she can teach the guys here in Jacksonville, Florida to pay attention to their driving. Thanks, Mike. the guys are bad. What are the women like?
Yeah,
wait a minute,
right?
maybe I better not be saying that.
No, it's probably true.
Yeah, I'm not chauvinist. I'm not like that. Let's take a look here. What is this? He's got some photos here. Now, is this... Well, this must be your own ride you got going on, Mike. If you're up there.
That bike is nice.
That's a beautiful bike.
Look at the seat.
Can
you see that? Your head's in the way.
Oh.
There. And there.
I'm just looking around the shop in the background to see what he's got going on. What is this now? There's a coin taped to it. What's this? Can't spend it here. It's a nickel Canadian. Oh, that's awesome.
Oh my God!
Don Garlett's Museum, thanks for visiting.
Did he actually sign that? Why do you get that? You don't even know who Big Daddy Don Garlett is.
I do too.
Shoosh, you do not. You don't like drag racing.
Shirley Mondoon, all them people.
Shirley who?
Fuck you. See what I gotta put up with, Mike? God almighty. You just wanted to see me get the shit kicked out of me on this video, right?
It's Shirley Muldowney.
Well, whatever. I knew who she was anyway. That's all that matters. God.
I know.
Isn't that right, Pete? I mean, Mike. God. Jeez. Okay, Don. I mean, Pete. No, Mike. Okay, we got it now. No, this is awesome.
That is
Thank you
super
so
cool.
much. This is going up in the office somewhere. We've got to find somewhere to put it. And it's going to stay behind here where no one's going to grab it.
Yeah.
That is just awesome.
Wow.
Oh, man.
That's super cool.
That is super cool. Thank you so much. You don't have to do this, guys. I'm serious. You do not have to do this.
You got Big Daddy's signature.
I don't know what it is. Why people send us stuff. Do they like our videos that much?
I guess so.
Because to be quite honest, I get kind of bored with them.
I know.
I know.
Everybody, though, that's been writing in, they've said that they're not bored with it, so.
Yeah, well, like I say, I'm going to try and do some stuff showing people how we work on cars. It's just always been hard these years because we're just always so busy and there's just no time to grab the camera and do that, right?
Yeah, it's not like we have a film crew that's dedicated to filming what we do.
Well, that's right. And to put a camera in the shop and have it run for 8 hours and then edit it down
is a full-time job.
Oh my God, and a camera would get destroyed in there within a month.
Yeah.
And I don't make that kind of money or else I wouldn't be out here working. Anyway, this is awesome. Oh hey, we were just, sorry to cut Mike off here, we were just mentioning, was it your plan from day one when you started here over a year ago to get your dad working here?
Well, not at first, but it seemed like a good idea after a while.
Oh, I see, okay then.
And remember we were talking about my daughter maybe coming and start prepping some things next week?
Yeah, and your wife is going to wet sand and polish? And your dogs are going to guard the gate?
Yeah, my little pit bull terrier, yeah.
Okay, that's good, yeah.
Are you going to actually put that part on it?
Yes.
Well, she's filming
I'm
here
filming
right now.
now.
What about your wife working here? Yeah, that'd be awesome.
I see my daughter. And then,
oh, Jesus. Anyway.
That's what I needed.
Hey, anyway, we've got to sign off here and say goodbye.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay. Thanks a lot, Mike. That means that's awesome. We're gonna send you something.
Yeah.
We're gonna send him something for sure.
Thanks.
Okay, guys. So hey, it's always a good time and old time. We'll see you next time.